Car's checked out. We turned up the boost. It's kicking a little harder. Build. No cams. I don't ever think I'm going to put any cams, at least on the dailies. Cams just moves the power band higher. The 1.8T's cams are pretty good already. When you get that KO3, those cams are made for that KO3 area. So between $3,000, $555, somewhere in there. Like me, again, daily, you want to be able to use that power band. The power band you're going to be using is between 3K to 55 anyways, especially if you're a stroker. So it doesn't make sense to go with cams as far as on the car. For those wanting to track it or whatever, I mean, by all means, do what you want. But I won't be putting no cams on. No need for it. I mean, the turbo spools 3K anyways. And then you remove the exhaust and you've got all that up until 7,000 anyways, a 92.8. So 92.8, there's no need to go past 7,000, just putting more strain on the motor. So lower RPMs, longer longevity, whatever. And you still get the same amount of power. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so I guess I did a poor job at some areas in the inspection. This bolt started to back out, I guess due to vibration. I was scared to over tighten these bolts. This has been tightened. And then I started to notice smoke. And I was like, man, what now? What now? And the wastegate, can you get in there? The wastegate actually started to come off, back out. So I gotta put a bolt in, tighten that up, and then I shall be good. I started to notice, like I said, smoking, and that's my smoke issue. I got exhaust in the damn under the hood. All right, so because I have the SPA V-band twin scroll manifold, all I'm really gonna do is just back this out and remove the V-band. And then tighten the bolt up.
Oh.
Am I tightening? What happened? I'm dark?
He was bright because I changed the... You looked ghostly.
Yeah.
Michael Jackson. Oh, shit.
I hope I can get it out to this area, because I didn't think about that. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Bam, bam.
I was going to say, you've done it before.
Yeah. See, you got to keep that arch, y'all. You got to keep that room in there. All right. This is where the smoke was coming from. We was getting exhaust gases.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
And the wastegate, if we look in there, it's still working. It's holding pressure. It's sealed. There's no fluid in there, or oil, or gas, so that's a good sign. So all I gotta do is tighten this back up, and damn, this whole thing needs to be tightened. Lock, tightened, and put back on.
Yes, you can.
See it?
Yep. I got it right there.
All right.
Yeah, it's not tight.
All right, back up. To me, that's not enough thread. See that?
Oh, yeah, it's getting eaten up on that one. You see it?
All right, so we'll get a longer one, and we'll come back and tighten everything back up.
In that box.
Mommy.
Oh wow, this does work. Okay.
Mommy.
All right, so the gap is closed. I got Loctite on there. And I think I'm gonna try to get another nut on there. We'll see. Let's see. I think this one's different, honestly. I gotta go look for another one. Yeah, this one's different. All right, so now I have the Allen heads tightened, and then I added extra bolts because everyone knows that's why we hate the 2-bolt flange, because they're known for backing out. So Loctite, and then added the nut on the back side, and then we'll put the gate back on, and we'll be done. So let's finish this up. Figure it out. Alright, so everything's back together. Boom, boom. And then I added one on this side. At some point, we'll see if this one needs it, but everything is double nutted. Double nutted. Alright, so I'll put the V-band back on. I'm going to slide it down in here. And, yeah, let's put it back on. That's crazy, because I was like, where's the smoke coming from? You know, I love smoke, but not this kind of smoke, you know? And, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. You're doing it, man. Hey, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall.
Ouch.
I'm gonna fall. Don't fall.
Well, I mean, you only got, what do you mean?
Okay, so that's in. May I have that 10 that's down there?
Mm-hmm. Dang, big head, you keep bumping the camera.
It's the cameraman's job to know where to sit.
So Josh, where you at, man?
Oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. I can't see the damn thing.
Feel it out?
Kinda. Alright, so it is in. We're fixed up in there. Everything's calmed down. You know, arm scratches later. But time to start it and see. I already know. I already know everything is good, but man, that's crazy. Alright. You're good. The smoking should stop. See, this bolt was backing out too, so I tightened that down. I mean, in the end, it's not this fault. I mean, I am pushing 30 plus PSI on its stock exhaust down there, which is not good. So I definitely got to get rid of that back pressure because I am going to hurt something if I continue like this. So, damn, it pushed off two clamps. This is backing out. That was backing out. So definitely too much pressure in there. What do you think? Is it quieter? Is it quieter? Yeah. It's not in the center anymore? Oh yeah, that's better. I don't show you guys the boost gauge anymore because that thing, the sensor's fucked. I messed up. But, oh, cold. Cold. Yeah, E80. But, alright, cool. Definitely quieter. Yeah. Cool. Time for some noise. Shit, that bitch sucked the phone in. Again. No smoke. No smoke. Sweet. All right. Inspection complete.